Izzy, did you know people are literally buying air now? Like actual air in a can.
Of course! It's called Vitality Air. Fresh Canadian mountain air, bottled like Chanel No. 5, but for your lungs.
So we've officially branded breathing. What's next? Netflix for oxygen?
At this rate, Buzzy, it's only a matter of time before someone launches Air Plus Premium with unlimited inhales.
Join the crew, you can't go wrong.
Most people think luxury means gold, diamonds, or private jets. But in today's world, luxury has evolved into something way simpler: a feeling. Take Vitality Air, for example. A Canadian company decided to capture clean air from Banff National Park and sell it in sleek aluminum bottles. It started as a joke, but people actually loved it. Each can gives you around 150 fresh breaths for about $30. And the genius? They didn't sell oxygen. They sold purity. You're not buying air. You're buying the idea of peace and freshness in a chaotic world. Vitality Air proved one golden marketing rule. People don't buy the product, they buy the story. It's the same with smart water. It's still H2O, just filtered, vapor distilled, and enhanced with electrolytes. But it's not just water. It's smart water. People drink it and feel sophisticated, healthy, productive, like their hydration just got a college degree. Then we have the $100 yoga mat. It doesn't make your yoga poses better, but it makes you feel like a spiritual CEO. It says, "I don't just meditate, I manifest," in style. These products may sound silly at first, but they're actually brilliant. They turned everyday objects into emotional experiences, and that's the true luxury. 3.
So wait, people are paying for air, water, and rubber mats just because they feel fancy?
Exactly. Modern luxury isn't about need anymore. It's about identity.
Which brings us to Goop. Ah yes, Gwyneth Paltrow's magical kingdom of wellness. Candles that smell like feelings, creams charged with moon energy, and vitamins that promise to align your aura.
And you know what? People adore it. Because they're not buying soap. They're buying self-care, storytelling, and imagination.
So the person who buys Vitality Air isn't buying air, they're buying a story. And the person who buys smart water isn't buying water, they're buying the lifestyle of hydration supremacy.
Exactly. Each product represents a new kind of luxury, where emotion beats logic. It's marketing that sells dreams instead of objects.
Okay, I'm inspired. I'm gonna launch my own brand, Silence Pro. We'll sell luxury silence, bottled in glass jars. Limited edition, of course. Very limited.
And don't forget to put handcrafted tranquility on the label. It triples the price.
Or how about Dream Mist, harvested from the clouds of the Himalayas. Perfect bedtime companion.
See, that's the art of modern branding. The world isn't full of gullible people. It's full of dreamers who want something different.
You know what, Izzy? Maybe these over-the-top luxury products aren't useless after all. Maybe they remind us that humans crave meaning, even in the small things.
Exactly. Luxury doesn't have to be logical. It just has to make you feel alive.
So maybe a $30 breath of air isn't crazy. Maybe it's just a reminder to stop, breathe, and enjoy being human.
And that's what these brands do best. They turn simple moments into small adventures.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to take a deep breath of Vitality Air, sip some smart water, and think about which luxury candle will fix my entire life next.